Guess what I just got today? A harmonica. And a switchblade. The switchblade I can show you later. But today I got the harmonica. I always liked music. I've always wanted to play an instrument. I can play you a couple notes off the harmonica, but I'm not good at it though, but who knows? But I can play a couple notes. So that's my harmonica. But the switchblade I can show you later. But as for right now, I got the harmonica, which I like. I do have a piano, electric, and acoustic guitar, which I'll do a video on if I could take piano lessons or guitar lessons. But as for right now, I got a harmonica. But as for right now, I got a harmonica. Today I got a harmonica. I'll see you guys later.